All right, so we're here today with Mr. Patrick here, who has just purchased one of our flagship systems, Whole Home Reverse Osmosis system from Crystal Clear Water here. And Mr. Patrick, compared to what you had here last time and your water quality now after the new install, how do you rate us and our water quality?
Water quality that I have now is fantastic. I had another company put it in a reverse osmosis system and had nothing but problems with it. It wasn't working at all. I called Crystal Clear. They came in, they installed this system. This system has been fantastic. It fills, I can't use water as fast as it fills it. It's the water is absolutely clear. It tastes perfect. There's no sediment, no anything. The water still has great pressure in the house. I can't say enough about how well Crystal Clear has treated me since they did my system, because they've been out a few times to check on it and maintain it. It's been fantastic.
Awesome. Now, how is the missus inside of the house now that we heard her last opinion on your last? Is it a happy wife, happy life now?
Oh, absolutely. My wife can do 4 or 5 loads of laundry in one shot, and it still doesn't budge on the tank. The tank fills it as fast as we can use it.
Excellent, sir. Well, we do appreciate your time here, and thank you for being a great customer for Crystal Clear Water.